everyone. For today's video, I'm going to show a gift idea of what you can put inside the New World Translation gift boxes. So I'm going to start by putting this decorative shred inside. This will just help to spruce it up a little bit and help keep everything in place. Next, I'm going to add this little jar of honey that says, "Oh, how sweet it is to serve Jehovah with you." I bought these jars on Amazon, and the jars also came with these little honeycomb wands, so I'm also going to put that in the box as well. Okay, I'm also going to include a pen for letter writing. This is, I believe, a black pen, but you can use whatever you like. And then I'm going to also add this bookmark that I made for everyone. And then I'm going to finish off with this Pioneer Power Bar. I made these cute little covers. There's actually a Hershey's chocolate bar inside. So I'm just going to finish it off by putting it right there so that you can see each of the pieces. Close it, put it in a bag, and you're done.